Hello and welcome to our channel. Fix WhatsApp voice message air speaker sound. So in order to fix it, first is to make sure your mobile is not in silent mode. To do so, scroll down the tab and make sure sound option is not in mute or in vibration. Use volume buttons to make sure it's not turned down. Now go to settings. Now go to apps. Find WhatsApp and tap on it. Click on storage. Now tap on clear cache. To force stop, tap on this force stop option. Then go to Play Store and update to the latest version. Lastly, clean the output of the speakers. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.